Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will discuss about the pseudocode question asked in Capgemini on 18 December 2021 slot 2. I have already uploaded the video on the previous slot. If you haven't watched it, do watch it. I will mention the link of those video in the description. For the question 1, the value of P is 6, Q is 4 and R is 7. The next P is equal to Q XOR P plus P, which will be 8, and R is equal to R XOR 1 plus Q, which will be 10, and P, it will be Q plus Q XOR P, which will be 0, and finally the value of P plus Q plus R is printed, which is 14, which is option B. The next question, str1 is start and str2 is trast, and we have to add str2 plus str1 and reverse it, so it will be option D. Next question, P is 6, Q is 2 and R is 10, and a loop is started from R is equal to 2 till R is equal to 5. So when R is equal to 2, it will check the if condition. So minus 1 is less than 1, which is true, so it continuous statement is written. So it will escape the rest of the statement, and when next R is equal to 3, again it will check the condition. So 0 is less than 0, which is false, so P will be equal to 7 XOR 11 plus Q, which is 14, and the value of Q will be 12. Upon next iteration, for R equal to 4, the condition 1 is less than minus 1, again it is false, so P will be 7 XOR 11 plus Q, which is 24, and the value of Q is 20. And for R equal to 5, the condition will be checked, that is 2 is less than minus 2, again it is false, so the value of P will be 32 and Q will be 52, and when R is equal to 6, the for loop will be terminated and the value of P plus Q will be printed, which is 84, option C. In this question, P is 2 and Q is 5, and the fun function is given, which is taking P and Q as the first and second parameter. So first it will check if Q is greater than P, that is 5, it is greater than 2, which is true, so it will return fun of Q minus 1 comma P plus Q, which is fun of 4 comma 2 plus 5. So for the next time, the value of P will be 4 and the value of Q will be 2. Again it will check whether Q, which is 2, is greater than P, which is 4, which is false, so it will return P, which is 4, and this 5, which is 9, which is option A. In this question, the value of P is 9, Q is 8 and R is 6. It will check the if condition. If R is less than P or 4 minus 9 is greater than P minus 4. So 6 is less than 9 or minus 5 is greater than 5. So the first condition will be satisfied and it is OR. So it will execute R is equal to 9 plus R, which is 15. And finally the value of P plus Q plus R will be printed, which is 32, which is option B. Here P is 5, Q is 8 and R is 7. It will check the if condition. If 1 is less than 7, which is true, then again there is a if condition. P is less than Q, which is 5 is less than 8. Again it is true. So it will calculate R, which is equal to 2 and 3 plus Q. So 2 and 3, it is bitwise AND operation will be performed between 2 and 3, and it will return 2 plus 8. So R value is 10 and Q is equal to 4 plus P, which is 9, and P value is 15, and P plus Q plus R will be printed, which is 34, which is option A. A is 3, B is 3 and C is 7. It will check the if condition, that is 10 is less than 4 or 2 is less than 3, which is true, then the value of C will be calculated, which will be 10, and A will be 1, and A plus B plus C will be printed, which is 14, which is option D. A is 0, B is 8 and C is 4, and for loop will be executed from C equal to 5 till C less than equal to 7. So for the first time when C is equal to 5, it will check the condition, that is 3 is less than 5. So it will continue, so it will escape the rest of the statement. And for the next iteration, for C equal to 6, it will again check the condition, that is h2 less than 6, which is again true. So for the next iteration C equal to 7, the condition is true again, and for C equal to 8, the loop will terminate and the value of A plus B will be printed, which is 8, which is option D. For this question, P is 4, Q is 4 and R is 8, and the loop will start from R equal to 2 till R less than equal to 3. So when R is equal to 2, P is R plus P, which is 6, and it will check the if condition, that is if 8 is less than minus 4, which is false. So it will move to the else part, in which the value of R is 4 plus R, which is 6, and the value of Q is 2 plus Q, which is 6. And for the next iteration R equal to 3, P will be R plus P, which is 7, and again it will check the if condition. So 10 is less than minus 4, which is again false. So it will move to the else part, and the value of R will be 7 and Q will be 8. And when R equal to 4, it will terminate the loop and the value of P plus Q is printed, which is 12, which is option C. If you found the video helpful, do like the video and share the video with your friends. Thank you for watching the video.